When a server goes down at a small business, business productivity comes to a halt. Often, valuable hours are lost while waiting for IT to restart your server and relaunch your applications. Big businesses can afford servers and storage with failover, high availability, and 5 nines of uptime. But this comes at a steep price, a price small businesses simply cannot afford. Now, there is an answer for small businesses and remote offices. iOmega's Store Center Network Storage and VMware's vSphere Essentials Plus virtualization software now combine to offer small businesses a solution for greater business continuity with substantial cost savings that fits the small business budget. This is unstoppable computing. So let's start with some quick definitions around virtualization. A virtual machine, or VM, is a software implementation of a machine that executes programs like a physical machine. A typical small office runs servers for file sharing, print serving, and for running applications such as email and accounting programs. In many offices, servers also act as a network storage location where users may share files and data on their network. Any problem with server hardware or an application means unplanned downtime and loss of productivity. VMware vSphere software, together with Store Center NAS device, can help small business minimize downtime and recover quickly from unplanned outages. Here's an example. In a small office with 2 application servers, 1 Store Center NAS, and vSphere software, VMware's high availability can protect against hardware and operating system outages. Here's how the virtualization piece works. vSphere is installed on each server at its base, or virtualization layer. The servers form a bond with one another, called a cluster, which will provide the high availability using a technology called failover. After installing vSphere, the operating environments, like Windows Server and applications, are installed as usual. Then, copies of the applications, or the entire server, are made by vSphere. The copies, called VMs, or virtual machine files, are stored on the Store Center NAS, where each server may access the VMs if needed. Each Store Center NAS is equipped with ample amounts of storage, so that many VMs can reside there at one time. So if a problem occurs on server A, instead of having to reinstall the operating system and each of your applications one by one, the vSphere software will recognize the error and will shift the workload over to server B. Server B fetches the VM file from the Store Center NAS and then restarts the affected server or application, meaning that your server will typically be up and running in minutes instead of hours or days. We call this unstoppable computing. Enabling high availability, or HA, can be accomplished in just a few clicks. It's like having a backup player ready to go into a game in case of an injury. The game goes on, and in this case, your business continues to run. Along with high availability failover, vSphere software can back up your server for additional protection. The iOmega Store Center is an ideal backup target or storage location for VMware backup files. The Store Center supports iSCSI technology, which provides an ultra-fast local storage target for your server. Your application server sees the Store Center iSCSI drive as though it were installed directly inside the server. But in this case, the storage is on the network and protected against a server failure. An iSCSI drive can be created on your Store Center with just a few simple clicks. On the server side, selecting the localized iSCSI drive is simplified as well, and the backup job can be created and run quickly. On the Store Center, fault tolerance is provided with RAID data protection, meaning that the VM files stored on it are protected from failure as well. All Store Center products are VMware certified and approved, meaning that they've been tested to work with vSphere, and VMware will honor your software support contract. In addition to providing the centralized storage location for VM files, your Store Center will simultaneously provide shared network storage for employees on your business network, along with a host of other features that will increase your productivity. Bringing together affordable solutions from iOmega and VMware, your small business or branch office is able to run with high availability and reduced unplanned downtime. The result is unstoppable computing for your small business.